Hello everybody. So today we will talk about compound angle formulas, how to remember them. Sometimes it's a big headache how I can carry that formula with me in my head without using any memory. So there is a trick. So let's go over this. So for sine A plus minus B or cos A plus minus B, so there are two changes happening on the right side of this formula. So there are, you can write as a rule. So rule is, so only one change can come at one time. So we can't together do two changes. So the first change is you can change sine theta to cosine theta in the same term. So if first is sine theta, then second cos can come. But if you're starting with the cos, then sine could not come. So it's a one-way traffic. You are not coming back. So it's just you can go from sine to cosine. That's the first one. The second is, if the sine ratio is not changing, then the sine between the right side terms is changing. Then the sign is changing. How? So let's do it. So sine, let's say A minus B, I'm writing. So I will start with sine A. So start with sine A, first angle. So then, because I can go from sine to cosine, so I can write cos B. So now one change already occurred, so the second change would not come, so sine is going to stay negative, and then just switch the cos and sine if you can keep the angle on the same spot. So it's going to be cos A and sine B. Done. Similarly, if you have to go with the sine A plus B, so then it's sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. And let's write the cos A plus B. So if I'm writing cos A plus B, so I'm going to start with cos A. Now I cannot go to sine, so I have to stay at cos. So cos A cos B. Because T ratio have not changed in this case, so what would change? Sine. So I had plus before between A and B, so now it's going to be minus. So sine A and sine B. So if you have a negative sign between A and B in the starting, so right here, so then which sign I will change the color. So if this is negative, so then this is going to be positive. That's it. And you have all the formulas with you. You don't need to carry this every time in your head. Just try to understand this pattern. You're done. Have a nice day.